Hi everyone, welcome to the marking video for meeting 10. First, let's look at the instructions for the homework. The instructions were to download the Python code and worksheet, and then use the code to complete the worksheet. To complete it, you just need to change the variable I each time when running the code, and then it will tell you if the number is a prime number. After you finish the worksheet, email it to me by Monday, and then I will mark them in this video. So here is the worksheet for meeting 10. We needed to determine whether these numbers are prime numbers. So 99,991 is the biggest one, and the smallest one is 99,877. And then we can use the code to find the answers to see if these are prime numbers or not. So the code is here, and then we just need to change the variable I each time. So let's do the worksheet. The first one is 99,991. So we put the I as the number, and then we run the code. It says that this number is prime, so in the worksheet we just put true for the first one. The next one is 99,989. So this one is prime too. The third one is 99,973, and this number is not prime, so we put false. The next one is prime. This number is not prime, so the second last one is false. And then the last one, 99,877, is prime too. So in total there were like 2 false. This one was false, this one was false, and then the rest were true. So that's how the worksheet was supposed to be done. Let's start marking now. Here's the answers, by the way. It's T, T, F, T, F, T. So the first student is Jessie. For meeting 8, it was this other worksheet about the RSA one, so I'll mark that too. The first question is, what's the relationship between n, p, and q? And you said the bigger the prime numbers p and q are, the larger the value n is, which results in the code harder to crack. This is true, but not the right answer. The right answer is n equals p times q. If we prime factorize n, we would get the prime numbers p and q. For number 2, p equals 3 and q equals 11 is correct. Number 3, phi n equals 20 is correct. Phi n is p minus 1 times q minus 1. Step 4, e equals 3 satisfies these two conditions, so the answer is true and is correct. For number 5, d equals 7 is correct. This is the easiest answer to get, but there are an infinite amount of possibilities for d, because it just needs to follow this rule. ed divided by phi n has a remainder of 1. So there are a lot of d's that satisfy this. For step 6, the answer is wrong. The public key is n and 3, but you put phi and 3. So the public key is n and e, and the private key is n and private key d. So it should be 33,3 for public key and 33,7 for the private key. So these two. For number 7, the c equals 4 is wrong. We needed to use this formula. So we take the value of m, which is 4, and then do 4 to the power of e, which is 4 to the power of 3, and then mod it by n, which is 33. So we would get 64 mod 33, which equals 31. So the ciphertext would be 31 and not 4. For step 8, the answer is true. So because the question is asking whether the right formula is this, and that's true. So you didn't really answer the question. But m equals 4 is right, so the plain text is 4. And then your homework for meeting 9 was all correct. There wasn't any mistakes in it. The only place you needed to change was turn the period into a comma, and this is right now. So when we run it, it gives us the right plain text. So the code is successful, and there wasn't any mistakes. Next, let's look at Adrian's. There wasn't any mistakes, and well done. All of the answers are right. Ellie's. All of the answers are right too. So the 2 falses and the rest are true. So well done. Next is Gary's. True, true, false, true, false, true. And all of them are right. Well done. All of your answers are right too, Grace. Well done. So Jesse, for number 10, all of the answers are right. Well done. Next is Joey's. 2 of the answers are wrong because I would never put all of them as true. The ones that are false are 99,973 and 99,899. These 2 numbers are composite numbers, and I'll show you in the code too. We changed the I to check if they're prime numbers or not. So for 99,973, it says that it's not a prime number. So for this one, it should be false. The other one is this one. So this one is also not a prime number. So that's why this should be false and this one should be false too. The other ones are true. The next one is Matthew's. All of your answers are right and well done. Next is Mitchell's. All of your answers are right. Well done. Next time you can put it into a text document or a Word document for the worksheets. Because there isn't any code, so we don't need to use the Python file. Next is Richard's. All of your answers are right. Well done. So for Vincent, all of your answers are right. Next time you can send me the worksheet in a text file or a Word document, and make sure to name the file like this, like RC2203 space Vincent Zoe space number 10, or the meeting number. Next is Williams. So for the answers, all of them are flipped. In the places that you put false, it's supposed to be true. In the places that you put true, it's supposed to be false. If the question was asking whether these are composite numbers, then you would get all of them right. But for prime numbers, you need to flip them. So the first 2 are true. This one is false. 99,973 is true, and this one is false. This one is true. Next is Dylan's. All of your answers are right. Well done. That's it for marking. Thank you for watching.